Hey everyone, Michael here with iKamper, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at unboxing and installing your brand new iKamper rooftop tent. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So helping me with the unboxing today is going to be my colleague Aaron, and as we do the unboxing, I'll be walking you through step by step of the process. So to start with, again, we're going to go ahead and lean over the tent, making sure that the arrows are pointing up, and you're going to do that gently, just as Aaron demonstrated. And from here, you're gonna go ahead and just cut off the factory straps that are holding the two top lids together. That just keeps the tent nice and cinched down, making sure that nothing shifts in transit. You're gonna go ahead and open up that first top lid, and then you'll see the tent is nicely stored in there. We have these really nice air packets that hold the tent from any shifting that happens while in transit, just making sure that the top shell as well as the bottom panel stay nice and in perfect condition. On the side, you're gonna find the mounting bracket. For this SkyCamp 3.0 Mini, it's gonna be our mounting brackets 3.0. You're gonna have all the goodies in there, not only the mounting brackets like I just mentioned, but also the tension rod when you cinch those down to your crossbars. On the side is the actual square cardboard piece that kind of holds the frame of the tent. That's gonna easily be taken off by just simply pulling up. I'm so glad I'm helping with the process, this is great. And then you'll have your small triangular cardboard covers there for the sides. So included with all of our tents is going to be the tent cover. This is just gonna help protect that shell while in transit from any potential damage that may happen. This tent in specific needs is gonna be our SkyCamp 3.0 Mini in the rocky black shell finish. However, if you happen to order the gloss black shell, this is also gonna be included. This is our wax kit just to help with any UV protection similar to a car from any damage that may occur over the length of use. So now that we've made a mess with the unboxing, let's go ahead and get our mess cleaned up and prep the tent for install. So before we begin the installation process, there's just a couple parts that you want to identify just to make sure that that process starts off nice and easy. Now obviously we have our brand new rooftop tent, but inside the associated box is also going to be our Allen key wrench set, the end rail caps, as well as 4 pieces of your mounting brackets. Now before you jump into putting the tent on your car, you just want to look at your brackets, make sure that the width of them are going to be greater than the crossbars themselves, just so you're set up for success right at the beginning. So step 1 of the installation process is you want to make sure that the tent is next to your crossbars and that you have the locking latches facing out on the passenger side, because our tents deploy off that side. Now this is a lifted truck and I'm not the tallest person in the world, so I'm going to go ahead and call in a couple friends who are to assist with the installation part by lifting it on the vehicle. Now step 1, we all want to make sure that we're practicing safety, so lifting with our legs, not our backs, getting our hands in the right direction to get it on the vehicle itself, and simply sliding the tent on. Easy as that. Boom. There you go. Less work for me. So I wanted to showcase real quick our mounting bracket 3.0s. These have been updated from the prior model, essentially allowing us to mount to a wider variety of crossbars and roof racks because of its deeper and thicker design, which is really nice. So it allows a wider variety of all the different options out there for the aftermarket capability. What's really cool is the design essentially works by cinching these down together, and your crossbar or roof rack will sit right there in the middle. However, if you have a platform that is a little bit narrower, you can go ahead and take out those rubber pieces there. Same design, go ahead and pull those and tighten them down together, but this way it'll allow you to cinch down even on those really small crossbars or roof racks. One quick item to note though is when you get ready to go ahead and install these in on the mounting channel, you want to make sure to take note of the Allen key head here at the end. That needs to be facing out towards you, so when you take your wrench, you can tighten them down accordingly. So quick pro tip to set you up for success. So your first step is to slide in the mounting bracket 3.0s into the mounting rail channel. So once your mounting brackets are in place, the next step is to simply put the end caps on and go ahead and put those in place, and you'll see them that they're nice and snug. From here, you'll grab your Allen key wrench and simply tighten down the mounting brackets until they are nice and snug. And then you'll go ahead and repeat this process on all 4 sides until your tent is nice and secure. So with your tent officially unboxed and now securely mounted on your vehicle, you are officially ready for your next adventure. I hope you found this video helpful as far as just going over the general steps on receiving your brand new tent. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop us a line at support@ikamper.com and we'll be more than happy to help. Until next time, safe travels.